Welcome back, MDD family. If you want to see this look, please keep watching. Hey boos, what's up? Welcome back to this video. Let's get into this beat. So yes, I look a little crazy, but it's okay because this is gonna come out flawless. But yes, it looks weird, I know. It's powder and primer. So I prime my skin, and I use the Make Forever Step 1 primer and a Morphe Banana Translucent powder. Tap that over my face, and this is how it looks. Yes, but we're gonna brush it off. I'm using this Real Techniques brush. This is my favorite brush so far to use for dusting off powder and things like that. So yes, look at that. Look at that. Hey, so now it's time to see what foundation I'm gonna use. It's gonna be the NARS. It's gonna be the BECCA. I don't know. But we can solve that because we're gonna use both of them. So let's go ahead and pump. I use 4 pumps of this NARS foundation, and what was in this BECCA foundation, I don't know, but I kept going. I just did a couple of little squeezes, and there you go. I'm going to tap that all over my face. You will see that I am mainly going in around my mouth area because that's my problem area, girl. I break out. It's a mess. I hate it. But anyways, I'm just going to blend that in using this Sigma brush. I love this brush. I haven't used this brush in a while. I don't know why I stopped doing it, but the brush is off the chain. So we are going to just blend that foundation in, and look at how it's just blending into my face. I love it so much. Even though it's kind of drying down as a powdery foundation, it's so radiant. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, girl. Love it. So now I'm going to conceal these deep set eyes, honey. I'm using the Urban Decay Make It Skin Concealer. And at first, it kind of looks about a shade or 2 lighter than me. But as I've come to learn, the Urban Decay Make It Skin products do oxidize a little bit. So this is just going to give me a light hue of light, honey. I'm using this beauty blender here. Yes, it's dirty. Who cares? Don't judge me. I don't care. Don't point it out. I don't care. But anyways, I'm just going to brighten up under my eyes. And as you see, as I blend it out, it's very subtle. It's not anything dramatic at all. Now I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime pen because I wanted to brighten up a little bit more. Okay, I have deep set eyes, guys. I have deep set eyes. So I'm going to dab and blend and, you know, just brighten up those eyes. And now I'm using these 2 colors right here from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. She's my girl. She's been coming through with this palette. So I'm just going to, you know, brighten my under eyes, setting it with this powder. Yes. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, join the MDD family. So now we're going to go on and we're going to really add some dimension back to the face. And I was like, where's my powder? And then I noticed my powder was in my car. I wasn't happy, okay? But I'm just going to go use an oldie but a goodie, and this is a LORAC powder. It is a wet to dry powder, and you guys, this is like my perfect shade. I have had a hard time finding it, but I'm going to hunt it down. I'm going to find this powder because I love it. And so we're getting a chin, yes. And then we're just going to, you know, shade the sides of my nose. I really don't like to nose contour too much. So now I'm going to just use this Milani Bronzer here to highlight, and this is in the shade 04 Glow, I believe. But it's so subtle, it's so pretty, and it really makes you look like you're shining from, you know, underneath all of this makeup. You know, it makes your skin look so youthful and just so healthy. And I just really love this as something really light and fresh. And so I'm adding it to all of the places that I like to highlight: cheekbones, nose, forehead, lips, and do a little, I'm hungry. Now I'm going to set my face and also intensify my highlight because I want it to be a little bit more highlight. So I'm going back into that baked bronzer and just going to, you know, intensify where I see fit. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. I look two. Okay, and I'm just going to, you know, press in any leftover spray into my skin so it can set and so I won't have any little, you know, droplet spots. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I really appreciate you guys' support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and anybody. Bye.